Today is the double salute and one more rant. So I'm gonna be saluting Night Stickman. So before I start this salute, there anyone who hates this channel, I can handle your opinion. Anyways, let's go. Night Stickman, wow, this user is the best. This user makes hops and ho-ho creepypasta videos. And last, he makes Nick Jr. comedy on Too Fast and 5. I hope these videos keep running soon. Do you know who hates this? Kylie the Pink Artist. He made a rant on this channel. Do you know who likes this? Oxy the Wolf. He made a salute on this channel. So I like him. The second is going to be a sound effects. So let's go. Sound effect? Wow, this sounds rocks. This sound is one of the best. Like funny music's Kevin McNord. I hope this sound effects keeps running soon, actually. So, the third one is going to be UTTP. So, to anyone who likes this company, then do not trust them. Anyways, enjoy. UTTP? Well, I guess. So, what should I say? UTTP. Oh my god. This company sucks. This company wants to make every channel in this videos. Blue impressed. Baby LL Chain. And Donald Duck and Goofy yes, Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse no. I hope this company gets cancelled soon. I don't know who hates this company. Do you know who likes this company? Donald Duck and Goofy yes, Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse no. He likes to tear on the companies on the videos. So, do you know who hates this? Me, Croc Day, and YouTube, Foxy the Wolf, Choco the Cat, Amy the Dream Core, Sonia Penna on this, and more. He made a rant on this company. So screw UTTP. And so does Donald Duck and Goofy yes, Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse no. UTTP is way better than UTTP. So, thanks for watching. And I will suspect your opinion. So, bye, everyone.